Yo, what up? Perry Jeffries, the entrepreneur CFO, coming to you from the beaches of the Dominican Republic. People, what's your definition of financial freedom? It's such a broad concept, and it's sometimes hard to get your head wrapped around what is financial freedom. But what is it? You have to be able to define it. Something I learned in the book, The 4-Hour Workweek, was taking many vacations. And thank goodness my wife adheres to that. So every quarter we go on vacation. And currently we are on the beautiful beaches of the Dominican Republic. Now, you may think, oh man, Perry, I'd love to be out here with you, but you need a ton of money to travel around the world. That is very untrue. What you need is the correct financial systems that will allow you to travel or experience whatever it is you want to experience in life. So the idea of working 30, 40 years to be able to retire for, 10 years is absolute crap. Because this is what I know for a fact. The multimillionaires that I know that are in my circle work their asses off. So they don't just hit a certain amount of money and then say, okay, now I'm just going to be lazy and not do anything for the rest of my life. No, they continue to work their asses off. But in doing so, they have the right financial systems that allow them to travel around the world, experience the better things in life. So it's not about how much money you make, it's about how much money you keep. And that's what we do with our PASS program, our Profit Accelerator Small Business Systems. We help you take the resources that you have coming in currently, right now. So whether your money's coming in from your business or coming in from your job, we help you generate the profits so that you can go on vacation without having to go in debt, without having to worry about your cash flow, without having to worry about covering payroll, without having to worry about do you have money left for taxes at the end of the year. Because we help our clients generate profits so that they can actually travel and vacation around the world and not have to worry about whether or not they're going to have enough money to cover their day-to-day expenses. Why? Because our Profit Accelerator Small Business System allows us to generate those profits. So if you want to learn more about this system, holler back, contact us, and we'll get you the information.